In this tutorial, I'm going to talk to you about 5 things you should know before launching your online course. These 5 things will help you to better navigate online course creation in order to create the most successful online course possible. Let us get started. Launching your own online course can be a difficult task. There are a lot of things that you have to do beforehand, and forgetting a thing or two can be easy. To help you out, here are 5 things that you absolutely must do before launching your online course. 1. You need an email list. The first thing you need to know before launching your online course is that you absolutely need an email list. If you do not have an email list, do not expect a big revenue from your online course. It doesn't matter how many social media followers you have. You will not get many sales if you do not have a strong email list. 2. Choose an all-in-one course hosting platform. The second thing that you need to know is that an all-in-one course hosting platform is worth the money. Yes, these course hosting platforms are more expensive than other websites, but they will alleviate a lot of frustration and time, making them worth your money. On top of making creating the course easier, all-in-one course hosting platforms look more professional and make course use easier for the students. They will remind students about plan payments, auto-unenroll students who have not paid, allow you to see student progress, give students individual login, and more. One of the most useful parts of a course hosting platform is that it will integrate your email list automatically. 3. Do not number videos. The third thing to know before launching your online course is that you should not number your videos. Like most new online course makers, you are probably inclined to number your videos in order, but this might come back to haunt you. Halfway through the course, you may learn that you've left out some information and need to create another video on the go. If you numbered your videos, though, adding another video may throw off the numbering. Do yourself a favor and do not number your videos. 4. Create engaging and clear learning outcomes. The fourth thing to know before launching your online course is to create engaging and clear learning outcomes. Learning outcomes are intended to inform a potential customer about what they will get from your course. In other words, it convinces potential customers that they need this product and tells them what they expect to get. If your online course does not come with engaging and clear learning outcomes, do not expect to have many students. People are unlikely to purchase products if it is unclear what they're spending their money on. So put a lot of effort into making the best learning outcomes possible. 5. Do not overlook the details. Finally, the fifth thing to do before launching your online course is to not overlook the details. In other words, do not forget little things like proofreading and editing your course material. One of the best ways to get a bad reputation as a course creator is to have little typos or misspellings. Do yourself a favor and critically look at your materials and to make sure they do not have any errors. You might want to use resources like Grammarly to ensure that all of your written material is correct.